Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate Java operators. First, you can use the assignment operator to assign a new value into a variable. You also can use the typecasting to convert the data type of the value stored in a variable. For example, in this slide, I convert integer into float. Various arithmetic operators such as plus, minus, multiplication, division can be used between values and or variables. To quickly increase or decrease the values of a variable by 1, you can use the increment or decrement operators. You also can combine arithmetic operators with the assignment operator for shorthand modification. For example, this line of code is the same as a number equal to a number times 1. The comparison operators equal, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to can be used to compare two variable and or values and return the true false values, which can be stored in a Boolean variable. You also can combine multiple logical clauses into a more complex logical expression using the logical operators and, or, and not. For example, this slide combines two clauses using the AND logical operator. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.